What if I told you that choosing between the gym and calisthenics could shape your body for years to come? Most people choose the wrong option, and you might be one of them. Calisthenics teaches body awareness first. Every rep demands balance. Every movement forces your core to work. You can't hide weak links behind machines. Push-ups expose shoulder stability. Pull-ups reveal grip and back strength. Hanging leg raises humble your core real fast. Calisthenics doesn't ask, how strong are your muscles? It asks, how well can your body work as one unit? That's why calisthenics athletes move smoothly, not just powerfully. The gym teaches precision. You can target muscles exactly where they're weak. You can isolate, overload, and progress with surgical accuracy. You don't guess if you're stronger. You see it in the numbers. And let's be honest, nothing builds raw size like progressive overload with weights. The gym isn't about elegance. It's about controlled violence against resistance. Calisthenics has one big advantage. No barrier to entry. No contracts, no commute, no waiting. If you skip today, no one notices. The gym costs money, but that cost creates commitment. You feel bad paying and not going. That alone keeps many people consistent. Here's something most people don't expect. Calisthenics looks beginner-friendly, but it's not. You lift your full body from day one. The gym, ironically, is easier for beginners. Light dumbbells, guided machines. Early success builds confidence. Confidence builds consistency, and consistency builds results. Calisthenics builds relative strength, core dominance, athletic movement. The gym builds absolute strength, muscle size, symmetry. Calisthenics bodies look lean, dense, and functional. Gym bodies look thick, full, and powerful. Neither is superior. They just tell different stories. In the gym, progress is loud. Add weight, add reps, celebrate. In calisthenics, progress is quiet. Weeks of struggle, then one clean rep. Gym progress feels fast. Calisthenics progress feels earned. One rewards patience. The other rewards consistency. Training doesn't burn fat, habits do. Both methods build muscle. Both raise metabolism. But if you're overweight, the gym gives you more control. You can scale difficulty without fighting your own body weight. Calisthenics shines once you're lighter and more mobile. Neither method destroys your body. Poor decisions do. Bad form, ego lifting, rushing progress. Calisthenics naturally encourages mobility. The gym demands you manage it intentionally. Smart training keeps you healthy in both. The real answer most people miss. The smartest lifters don't choose sides. They lift weights to build muscle. They use calisthenics to control it. So calisthenics or gym, choose the one you'll show up for. Or better yet, use both. Like subscribe to Major Muscles and comment. And if you want to train smarter, watch this next video.